special unboxing that I told you guys about. And I'm super excited about this. So we have the Eyescream Beauty bag for October. And look, they even put the breast cancer sticker on it, like the pink ribbon. So, backstory. I bought both the box and the bag thinking that I was going to get a specific palette that they were advertising. I thought that this palette that is so amazing was going to be in the box because the box is the more expensive, purchase. So I bought both because I wanted to try the bag too because I thought it was awesome too. But I ended up, it wasn't in the box. And I didn't want to unbox the box because, yeah. But I'm not going to unbox the box. But I do have the bag and we're going to get into the bag. So, this is the Eyescream Beauty box for October for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And I was going to gift a few of these packages away to people, but they were sold out by the time they sent that email to do that. But yes, we are big supporters of breast cancer survivors here in this family because we have several survivors. And it seems to be a common thread in our family. So go get your mammograms, ladies. Get them. And don't wait till you're 40. Don't wait till you're 50. Get them now. Okay? Because it just seems as though breast cancer is running younger and younger these days. And if you got men's, tell them to go get checked too. Because men can actually get breast cancer too. So there's my PSA. Let's go on to the bag. All right. So here's the bag. This is super cute, and it's got the little pink ribbon there too. But it's so nice. This kind of reminds me of like the little pencil cases you used to use in your Trapper Keeper. Yes, I'm that. All right, so we're gonna save the palette for last. But first up, we have this is a lip gloss from Go To, and it is in the color Glow 2. Or is that the color? Doesn't have a color name on it, but it's pink. And I love pink. Can you see it? Pink. Right there. Go To. And it is shrink wrapped, so that's awesome. But can we open it though? Yes, we can. Sorry if you hear my dog. She gets a bath tomorrow and I cannot wait. She smells bad. All right, let's mix her up. It's a really pretty pink. Really pretty pink. I would totally rock this with some Night Moth. Yep. So there's the gloss. Ooh, it definitely reads pink too, and it is that pink. It is that pink. So yes, that's pretty. I like that. Yes, this and Night Moth. That'll look real dope. That'll look real dope. All right. So let me see. I think there was a card in here too. Oh yeah. So yeah, Pinktober or Pink October. So the portions of the proceeds of this bag will be donated to the Breast Cancer Research Foundation. Oh, that's so cool. And it just gives you their description of what they're supporting. And then this side has what's in the bag. So this lip gloss is $5 and it's just a pink lip gloss. All right, up next we got the Beauty Creations. It's a color-based primer in the color Jelly, and it's pink. It says this can be used as a primer, an eyeshadow, a blush, or lipstick. I can't get into it, but I don't want to open it. But it also says shake well because I did get the black one. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah. So this is the black one, and when I saw people unboxing the black one, they were putting it on, and it was coming out real thick, honey, real thick. And people were trying to do the this with this, the Super Beauty on top. Oh, I got this in the Chic Beauty box, I think. No, it was in the Eyescream box. This was in the Chic Beauty box. But these two, like, it just changed the color. So, it was pretty dope the way they used it. But this one, the pink one, I'd be interested to see how that looked. But I'm not going to open it. So, there's that. And then, the reason for purchasing this, well, really the reason for purchasing the box, was to get this palette. This is from the Gourmande Girls and Sirius Soto and Gourmande Girls. Warriors Wear Pink. And I saw this advertised on Instagram for a while by several people who posted it. And I was like, yo, that's going to be really, really nice. But I just never got around to buying it. And it is $55. And I think that's probably why. Because it was a brand I wasn't really familiar with. But I've heard good things about them. Let me put that out there. I have heard good things about Gourmande Girl formulas. But I was like, yo, this would be a really dope palette. Maybe I'll buy it in October for breast cancer. Because I'm pretty sure... Well, I know the reason why they made this palette was for breast cancer. I was like, I'll just buy it in October. Maybe it'll be on sale. But then I saw it was going in the Eyescream beauty box or bag. And I was like, yeah, I'll just get it. So this bag, the Eyescream beauty bag is $12.50. This palette, $55. You tell me, was that a good deal or not? But let's open her up. So you got the plastic sleeve. You got a good mirror, I think. Yeah, well, that's a good mirror. And look, here is the palette. And you can see it's embossed with the ribbons and the heart. And then their signatures, you know, their diamonds and stuff like that. Like that black is real black. Let's swatch a few. I actually got my wipes this time, so let's take off this gloss. And let's see what we got. Do you guys do the walk? The breast cancer walk in your neck of the woods? I wanted to do it this year, but I couldn't make it work with my schedule. But that's okay. I do plan on doing it next year. My husband typically does it every year, but we didn't get a chance to do it this year. All right, so let's swatch. I do want to swatch that black, and it's called Darkness. Oh, ooh. They're like, it's like velvet. Oh, look at that. Now that is black, honey. That's a nice black. Because sometimes, you know, when you get a black in a palette, they're deep. Like you can tell it's a black, but it's not like rich. It doesn't have a real rich pigment. That, I don't know how it's going to blend out, but I don't think that's going to like blend out to where it's like opaque. You know what I mean? Like you have to keep going and going and going to build it up. That doesn't look like that kind of black. Let's see. We're going to do peach because it's purple and that's my favorite color. But these are really nice. They're like velvety. I didn't really want to mess it up, but it's okay. That purple is really pretty. We'll do this pink called Syria, I think. I think that's how you pronounce it. Forgive me if I'm wrong. I mean, like, the color it is, that is beautiful. I'm excited about this palette. Let's do this red. It's called Life. Look at that. Like, the pigment is ridiculous. We're going to try some other ones because I want to see what these shimmers are doing. Yeah, it's still... And these are some good wipes, but... All right, let's see. I'll do the... No, that one's kind of wet too. All right. So I want to do this one, Cielo. Oh, come on now. That is gorgeous. Let's see, Familia. Oh, and they're soft too. Like these shimmers are soft. Can you see? That is gorgeous. And this Dreams one. Oh man, they feel so good. Now I don't do a lot of like pressed glitters and stuff like that. look at that. That is so pretty. I usually just do inner corner. But, oh my God, these are so nice. Hold on, I want to do this other one. It's called Tears. Oh my God, that's pretty. Look. That is so pretty. So pretty. So I am super stoked to get this palette. I'll definitely be playing into this. Oh. Okay. Okay, so now I remember where I saw this palette. Doodles by the Bunny. If you don't know who she is, you're doing it wrong. Especially if you're a makeup girly. Like, the palettes that she creates and the palette stories that the color stories that she creates are just, they're top notch. So she designed the artwork for this palette. And I totally spaced that. That's where I remember seeing it. But yeah, so that is the October beauty bag for Eyescream Beauty. Oh my gosh, that was so pretty even when I wiped it off. Oh man, these are so nice. Oh yeah. They're kind of spreading everywhere, but that's okay. That's okay. All right, so recap. We got the pink gloss, which I will be wearing soon because I'm still doing things, celebrating Pinktober with my volleyball team. So I will be wearing pink for the rest of the month while we're playing. So yeah, I'll definitely be wearing all of this. So with the palette, the lip gloss, and maybe I'll find some kind of creative way to wear this. Yeah. Oh, maybe I could put this and like kind of with that black. I think that'd be really pretty. But yeah, that's what we got. So this box, I mean, this bag is sold out, I believe. You can't get it anymore, but that's okay. So let me know if you guys got this box. Did you gift it? Yeah, let's talk about it down in the comments. And please don't forget to check yourselves. Like, do your self checks, get your mammograms, do all the things, hunty. Okay. So, you know, we've had a few scares. We're good, but just do your research, be knowledgeable. Don't be afraid to go to the doctor. The best form of medicine you can get is preventative. Okay. Well, at least I feel like that. That way, you know, ahead of time. Because if you catch it early, it's the best thing you could do. All right, guys. Well, that was fun. I hope you guys have a wonderful evening and enjoy the rest of Pink October. Peace.